Welcome to Cinematic Spotlight Essentials. If you're looking for glowing, healthy skin without relying on harsh chemicals or expensive treatments, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 5 simple, natural skincare habits that can make a huge difference in your skin health over time. Let's dive in. Number 1, hydration. You've heard it before, but drinking water is not optional if you want healthy skin. Our skin is the largest organ in our body, and when it's dehydrated, it can look dull, flaky, and even break out. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses of water per day and throw in some water-rich fruits like cucumbers, watermelon, or oranges. Hydrated skin equals plump, smooth, and glowing skin. Number 2, cleansing. Go for natural cleansers like raw honey, which is antibacterial and moisturizing, or make a simple oatmeal cleanser to gently remove dirt without irritating your skin. Clean skin allows your pores to breathe and prevents clogged pores, acne, and dullness. Cleanse morning and night gently and with care. Number 3, moisturizing. Even if you have oily skin, moisturizing is essential. The trick is choosing the right natural one. Try jojoba oil, aloe vera gel, or shea butter depending on your skin. These ingredients are non-toxic, non-comedogenic, and packed with nutrients that soothe, nourish, and protect your skin barrier. Apply it right after cleansing to lock in moisture and keep your skin feeling soft and hydrated all day. Number 4, exfoliation, but do it gently and naturally. Over-exfoliating or using harsh scrubs can actually damage your skin and cause micro-tears. Once or twice a week, use DIY exfoliants like brown sugar plus olive oil scrub for dry skin, rice flour plus yogurt paste for oily or acne-prone skin. Exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and improve absorption of your moisturizer or serums. Just use it gently. Number 5, DIY masks. These are one of the most recommended methods of natural skincare. Here are 3 quick ideas. For glowing skin, turmeric plus yogurt plus honey. For acne, bentonite clay plus apple cider vinegar. For hydration, mashed avocado plus aloe vera gel. Use a mask once or twice a week to give your skin that extra love it needs. No chemicals, just good ingredients straight from your kitchen. So do you agree with my suggestions? Are you going to try these natural ways to improve your skincare routine? Let me know in the comments below, and for more, subscribe to Cinematic Spotlight Essentials.